Hey everyone, it's attorney Bianca Jordan from brazenlegal.com. Thanks so much for watching this video. Please be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Today's video is about TPS, particularly people with TPS who are from El Salvador, Haiti, Nicaragua, and Sudan. Earlier today, the Ninth Circuit out of California, the Court of Appeals in California, decided that the Trump administration can go ahead and terminate TPS for these four countries. So again, the countries are Haiti, El Salvador, Nicaragua, and Sudan. And what that means is these countries currently have TPS that is supposed to end on January 4th, 2021. So that means that the TPS for these countries will end on January 4th, 2021, except for Haiti, because there is another case out of the Second Circuit in New York, I believe, that is still pending. And because of that case, TPS for Haiti is still intact and still protected. So people who have TPS for Haiti, as long as there's not a decision on that Second Circuit New York case, then TPS for Haiti will not end on January 4th, 2021. However, as of right now, TPS for El Salvador, Nicaragua, and Sudan will end on January 4th, 2021, unless something else happens, such as like if Biden were to win the election, for example. He has said that he wants to roll back a lot of the immigration changes that Trump put in place over the past couple of years. So that could be a possibility. But even if Biden were to win the election, it's not like things would happen overnight. But that is a possibility if he were to win the election, that the TPS status for these countries could possibly change. So what will happen next? So first, this case is probably going to go up to the Supreme Court. There are a lot of different case decisions throughout the country when it deals with TPS, whether is TPS even a status? Can the Trump administration terminate TPS? So there is a lot going on in the TPS space where I would not be surprised if this case and others ends up at the Supreme Court at some point. For people that have TPS who are from El Salvador, so TPS for El Salvador will end on January 4th, 2021. However, El Salvadorians will also get an additional 365 days, and people with TPS from Nicaragua and Sudan will get an additional 120 days because of stipulations that were related to this lawsuit. So if you have TPS, if you're from any of these countries, or even if you have TPS from any of the other countries that have TPS, I would encourage you to speak with an immigration attorney as soon as you can so that you can understand what options you might have to adjust your status to possibly be able to get a green card, or to start thinking about the possibility that you might unfortunately end up back in immigration court if you've ever been in immigration removal proceedings, or if you've never been, for the possibility of being placed into deportation proceedings in the future, and maybe speak with an immigration attorney to understand what that looks like, what might happen, and what defenses to deportation that you might have if you find yourself in removal proceedings in the future. So again, earlier today, a court decided that the Trump administration can end TPS for El Salvadorians, people from Nicaragua, El Salvador, Haiti, and Sudan. Haitians with TPS are currently protected by a different lawsuit, but that could change between now and then. If you have TPS, I strongly encourage you to speak with an immigration attorney. I hope you found this video helpful. Please visit brazenlegal.com to learn more about me, my law firm, and how I can help you with your immigration case. And please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching.